Hi, welcome back. Okay, now let's look at the general overview of this whole thing that you are hearing about importation, making money with this. So how will mini importation add value to your current life or area of profession? Let's say you are in the health sector, then you are in the engineering sector, you are a trader, or in the hospitality industry. How would this add value if you're already working? You are going to do this as a part-time, or you don't do anything at all. How will it add value to you? So let's say you are a nurse, or you are in the engineering field, you are a doctor or something. There are a lot of products that your place or your workplace would need, that they would require the services of a contractor, a businessman, to win a contract of supplying this stuff. You have an idea about mini importation, you can know where to get these products from directly from the factory at that cheap price, and you can make good profit from it. So you make two-way money, you make a residual or two-way money from here. You take your salary, at the same time you supply your product. Or you are a trader, you always go to the nearby local wholesale shop that has also gone to the main source we are about to learn about, has gone to bring those stuff in, and you are buying. Your profit margin is not that huge, so you are forced to always constrain yourself. This time around, mini importation will be an eye-opener to you, and it will teach you where to get these products for yourself. And this time you can also evolve from being just a trader into a whole businessman or a major importer. You bring the things in, and then you increase your income status. Or you are in the hospitality industry, same applies there. You are working in a hotel or something. There are a lot of products that your places need, washing materials, a lot that will be need, utensils. You can get any stuff when you have the idea of how to go about the importation business. You can do all these things. Or you don't have any work, you can start this as a work on your own and engineer your parts you need, your parts you need, your tools you need for a business. You can get them at very affordable cost, and you can turn yourself into the supplier of your own material. Instead of people getting it from someone else, then you becoming just a technician. This time you supply your materials and you work with it. Your income status is increased. Your income is increased through the power of this importation business. So this is why it is very important for you to have this idea, because it's going to transform your current financial status. It's going to be a blessing into your life. So this is just a brief about how the importation business can transform, can do a lot of things for you. You don't need not to work. You can do this as a part-time work, but it have less stress, it involves less time to do. So it is a very wonderful and eye-opener business that I encourage you to sit, look, get the course, and then go through it. Thank you very much. See you in the next section. Bye bye.